Hi, good morning. Thanks for coming and joining our lesson today. And we have the bell work posted in the Google Classroom. Let's do it. All right, thank you so much for doing your bell work. All right, today we have our goal or objective. We will be able to solve for the mass or volume of an object by using the density formula and showing step-by-step work. We can ask ourselves this question and later we would know how to answer and fulfill this question. How to find the mass or volume of an object with a given density. Let's recall what we have learned in the past days. What is the density formula? D is equal to m over v, or density is equal to mass divided by the volume of an object. Let's use some word problems. A piece of chalk has a density of 2 grams per cubic centimeter and a volume of 12 cubic centimeters. What is its mass? So let's be careful in analyzing this problem. We have to know what are the known or the given and what's the unknown. All right, so what are the knowns? What do we have in here? We have the density, which is 2 grams per cubic centimeter. So we will replace that D in the left side of the equation. And then we have the volume, the denominator into the right side of the equation, 12 cubic centimeters. And what is not there? What is unknown? The mass or the m, and that would stay there in the formula or in the equation. So to solve for this, we have to cross multiply the volume and the density to solve for the mass. So 2 grams per cubic centimeter times 12 cubic centimeters will be the mass. Now to further solve for this, we're going to cancel out the cubic centimeters. And what would happen? 2 grams times 12 will be 24 grams. So that will be the mass. So with this problem, the piece of chalk has a mass of 24 grams. We have another word problem, and this is not about how to solve mass. This is about finding the volume. A brass doorknob has a density of 9 grams per cubic centimeter and a mass of 72 grams. What is its volume? So we will use the density formula. Let's plug in the known or what's the given. So we have the density. It's 9 grams per cubic centimeter. So that's on the left side to replace the D into the right side of the equation. The M will be replaced with 72 grams or the numerator. And then we will copy the V, the denominator, because that's the unknown. To solve for the volume, what we have to do here is to cross multiply. So 9 grams per cubic centimeter times the volume. So we multiply that, and then it's equal to 72 grams. We need to solve for the volume. So we have to remove what's in there that's not a volume. So in the left side of the equation, we have to remove 9 grams per cubic centimeter. We divide that in both sides. So in the left side of the equation, we can cancel out 9 grams per cubic centimeter from the numerator and the denominator. So what is left is only V, or the volume, in the left side. Into the right side of the equation, we can also cancel out the grams. So the volume should be 72 divided by 9 cubic centimeter. And we will be getting volume is equal to 8 cubic centimeters. So with this problem, the brass doorknob has a volume of 8 cubic centimeters. So always remember D, or density, is equal to m over v, or mass divided by the volume. So when we are solving for the mass, usually the unit of measurement is in grams, unless or otherwise is specified in the word problem. If we're solving for the volume, then most of the time it's in cubic centimeters or in milliliters, or otherwise it's specified that kind of units in the word problem. Please study, and we'll get back soon again in the class tomorrow for your test. Study about how to find the mass, the volume, and also the density. All right, thank you, and we need you to turn in and work as well with your group worksheets in the classroom and also the exit ticket. Thank you and have a great day. Goodbye.